Well, here we are again, young vegan, old vegan, back to do another dinner. And sorry we haven't had a video recently. We've been really busy. It's harvest time of year here, and there's so much work to be done. But we're going to try and make up for it tonight with a really nice dinner that we're going to make, vegan, of course. Yeah, and then we've had, what else we've been doing?
We still go on hikes, even though things have been pretty hectic. We still try to find time to go on hikes and stuff like that. We've been on a couple that were really nice recently.
Yeah, we've been doing at least one good day hike per week, and sometimes two. I think we did two last week. So, yeah, and we've been doing other projects also. Anthony and I have been collaborating on musical things also, and we've put out one YouTube video so far from
Ocarina of Time, Legend of Zelda. Yeah.
That's right, and then the one we're working on right now is from
Skyward Sword.
Right.
Yes, that's a game that came out for the Wii.
Yeah.
Really awesome game. Yeah, we're playing one of the themes for Link's assistant in that game. Her name is Fee. It's the main theme that plays, I believe, at first, right as you're sort of chasing her through Skyloft at night. It's a really beautiful flute piece.
Yeah.
And
I didn't know it before. I've actually played quite a lot of Legend of Zelda tunes, but Anthony, introduced me to this. I have not played Skyward Sword. I played Ocarina of Time, and I've heard a lot of the music, and I haven't played any, but I really liked this piece right away when Anthony showed it to me. And then I find out that he plays Ocarina, and he plays it really well. And so I actually he played Fee's theme one night when he was over here. He put the OST on and was playing with it, and I thought, man, you can really play. And so anyway, it's been a lot of fun this last week getting down all the other parts of Fee's theme.
he did it all by listening to it. We didn't have any, actual music to guide us, so
No.
he just listened to it all and laid down all the tracks just by ear, which is highly impressive. I mean, I only had to worry about the melody, and so, but
Anyway.
I think it'll come out very nice.
Yeah, I'm very excited about it, and I wish we could. Maybe we'll put links to our music collaborations on our vegan channel also.
Might as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, good. So I guess with that, we'll go in the other room and show what we're going to be making for dinner tonight.
Yes,
All
for
right.
sure.
All right.
Hmm?
What are we having?
Some sort of Moroccan tofu, udon noodles, veggies, and some green beans and stuff like that. This is kind of experimental, so we'll show it up close here. Don't know exactly what order things are going to be combined yet, but we'll think of something here. And, I'll always add turmeric to stuff, generally, if it seems like it goes with it. It's really healthy stuff. Yeah, we'll show the final product when we're done, and I think it should taste delicious, don't you think?
I think so.
I don't think you can go wrong with these ingredients. Alright, we'll see you guys later.
All right, so here's our vegan meal. We have the Moroccan tofu on top of udon noodles, and we have not baked beans, but green beans from my garden, and it's got some red onion and celery with it. And we also have a sweet potato that's in cooking, so that's still to come. And anyway, this is ready to eat right now, so we're going to go ahead and eat. And then let you know how it was. This was a bit of
Looks good. It smells good. I don't see why it won't taste good.
Yeah, it was an improvisation. So, but I'm sure it's going to be really good. So, we will get back with you soon. So we just had a wonderful meal with the noodles and the Moroccan tofu and green beans and whatnot. And for our dessert, we are having a huge sweet potato. We both really like sweet potatoes. And so this is going to be our dessert.
Well, that was excellent.
It sure was.
I would do it again.
So would I.
Well, yeah, and the dessert was really good too. The sweet potato turned out really good.
You can't mess with the sweet potato. Oh, I just love them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't put marshmallows or anything like that on mine. I like them just straight. They taste really sweet and really good.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, they don't need any editing really.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, so just wanted to share another meal with everybody of what vegans eat, and I sure liked it. It was like I don't think I could have gone to a restaurant tonight and had anything any better anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So.
No, as long as you have just ingredients sitting around, you can just experiment, and most of the time you just have a little bit of knowledge of what goes good with, other things. You can't really go wrong unless you're really mixing things that aren't compatible, but most people aren't gonna do that.
Right.
You can't go wrong with a bunch of veggies and some noodles and
yeah, and it is hard to miss. It could be noodles or rice or whatever. So yeah, actually for lunch earlier I had wraps with rice and beans and hummus and avocado and whatever chopped up vegetables, and it was just really excellent also.
That sounds good. I didn't have anything that fancy. I just had some quinoa and soy sauce, Chinese 5-spice, turmeric, and toast sesame seed oil stirred up, and that's all I had.
Yeah. Yeah, so I guess we'll look forward to sharing another video with you guys really soon, and maybe put some hiking. Of course, Anthony has the martial arts channel also, and we'll maybe mix some of this other stuff in at the same time, so to share that. So, all right.
All right, that's our video today, and see you in the next video.
All right. Bye-bye.